ragazzi. This is home. Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my kitchen and welcome back with your chef Paolo. Today is the day we're gonna make maybe the one most important base of our Italian cuisine. The meat stock, the meat soup. The one you're gonna use to make all different type of preparation. The meat stock is the base, easy to make, and it's gonna give that special kick to all our recipe. Let's see the ingredients. Here we have some parsley, some celery, 1 carrot, 1 onion, some leaves of laurels, 4 liters of water, and 2 kg of all these different type of scraps of the meat. So of course, it's all about beef. Some part is fatter, some part is less fatter. Then we have some bones, some knees. All this part, they're gonna give a special taste. So, super easy. We have 4 liters of water, okay? Then we start to put all our scrap meats of beef. Alright, see. We can put already our leaves. Let's peel the carrot. You know, when you go in the home in Italy and you can smell that amazing taste and you ask yourself, what is that? It's the beef stock, guys. Okay, so we cut some chop. Alright, look at that. Our parsley. And our onion. Alright, just cut in 4 pieces. Alright, we add in our soup. Medium-high fire, guys, until the water not gonna boil. Once it's gonna boil, low fire, 4 hours, patience, and sometimes we're gonna clean all the fat with our filter. I will show you how. It's boiling. Now it's the time to low down the fire and start to clean a little bit all this fat. You see, guys? Mamma mia, ragazzi, you cannot imagine, guys, the smell all around home. Look already how nice is this color. Let's clean up. Alright, under 2 hours and it's gonna be ready. Mamma mia. Guys, come on, look at this. Look, after 4 hours, it reduces of the half. Now we take out all these things. The last step, we filter all this amazing golden beef stock. Alright guys, so like this we have 2 liters of beef stock. Now, with the beef stock, what we can do? We can even eat some really nice dumpling in it, some really nice wonton. Or, if we talk about Italian cuisine, this is the base for any type of risotto, any type of pasta sauce, goulash, Italian style. I'm gonna show you as a super special recipe for Chinese New Year to share with the family. We can use for many things. How to store it? Refrigerator, close 7 days maximum. Freezer, 1 month, super close. Now, let's add some salt. In this case I would say 1 teaspoon enough. Let's try. Ragazzi, this is home. This is home. All the different type of aroma vegetables we use to make this just amazing. So make it at home, follow my recipe, few simple steps, and you're gonna have an amazing base for many different type of preparation you like, especially in the winter time. This is perfect for our recipe. Thank you very much for following me. Thank you very much to be with your Chef Paolo again. And of course, next time, next recipe, my home, my kitchen. See you then. Bye bye!